Hey folks, Brandon with Bearded CB82, and well, out here in the stall or shed or well, whatever the heck you want to call it. And have you ever walked into your shed, looked around, and just said, "What a mess!" But not only that, but man, does the lighting in here actually kind of suck a whole lot. Well, if there's only something I could do to, fix that so I could actually, after work, when it's dark out, maybe start picking stuff up a little better. And lo and behold, there might be, courtesy of Nathome. And yes, I have tried these out. These are actually quite the little LED setup. It's like 220, let's see here, 220 some odd LEDs. It's got the giant aluminum heat sinks. They're the E26. Let me see. Silicone cables, weather resistant, 80 watt, or well, yeah, 80 watt bulb. Well, power usage. Try to get it to where it comes in a little better. Yeah, we'll not worry about that right now. But this little thing is brighter than people would think. 8,000 lumens is, yeah, I'd agree with that 100%. Well, first off, let's see what it changes on above here. So inside the box, you get a nice little Nathome. Thank you. Light up your life. Product support, all that jazz. You also get a lovely little how-to. You just screw it in, adjust it how you want, turn your light on, because if your light's on when you go to do this, yeah, it's they do have a couple different variations. This model in particular is the indoor one, or at least sheltered one. So, if you got a shelter with an overhanging roof, that will provide protection from rain and that sort of stuff. That's more where this thing's made for. And then, get rid of that box. You've got each panel, 3 panels, all with the lights, and the giant, the aluminum heat sinks. And yeah, I think it's either 216 or 220 LEDs total on this guy. And yeah, it is definitely something else. Heavy duty silicone covered, like I mentioned earlier. Backing, I think, is polymer, but the heat sinks themselves are aluminum. But anyways, enough about this guy. Let's go ahead and see how it looks. So let's see how that turned out. And it is brighter than heck. Quite literally. I do get a little bit of a shadow cast yet because of the kayak being right where it's at. But I could probably push the one beam up a little bit and it'll take care of a bunch of that. So, let's see here. So, and like I was saying, it definitely brightened it up. Got rid of everything that was dim over in this corner earlier. Definitely no longer dim. This still, like I said, I get a little bit of shadow from the kayak right there, but I could probably do something with that, and I got those overhead lights, but that definitely brightened a lot of stuff up. So much so, well, let me show you what it looks like when you install it. Hold on here. Alright, so here we are with another example. Sometimes you get these old lights out here in the middle of BFE, and we're going to see what the difference is between these old amber lights, literally, and go with something different, courtesy of Sean, Army vet. Do muchly appreciate it, especially with the backdrop of his nice old CJ here. We'll go from there.
Shit. I was looking right at it too on it.
That is a hell of a light. Oh my gosh. So we got that over there, and we unscrewed several light bulbs, or Sean did, and yeah, so there's your oh my goodness. Like he said, that is a light. Holy crap.
Ah.